but this is not the line that you should say. And I didn't know he visited this city actually in 1981. Doesn't mean that this majority of any religion or everything can tell like the other majority your thoughts are wrong, your religion is wrong, and all these things. You don't have any right to tell this. Hello Metron and all my friends all over the world. Kaise ho aap? How are you doing? I hope you are doing so well, and welcome back with your Sunny. So today we have something really special, but this is a little different from last videos because we are going to show reaction to Alipur city, the mini Iran of India. Like, can you believe this? Mini Iran of India. And that is so much interesting. Like, we don't have a similarity of like cultural, architectural. It is more like a religious and historical connection that we have with this city. So let's not waste much more time. Let's see about Alipur. By the way guys, I just bought this mic. Let me know if you noticed in the last video. I hope it will make the quality much more better than it was.
I'm in Iran, but mini Iran of India.
Yay! Okay, let me pause. Yeah, the thing that I just found it interesting right now is that the name of the city is written in Farsi or maybe Urdu. I'm not sure, but I could read it obviously. And the city is not looking like Iran, but yeah, I can see the similarity in it. Mahdavi Street.
वो ये लीडर है ना अली साहब, वो कौन है?
Oh,
वो कौन है?
how do you know?
आपको पसंद है क्या वो? बहुत ज़्यादा। क्यों? हमारे जान से पड़ा। वो क्योंकि आपका जान से पड़ा।
उनकी शहादत हम
So
जिंदगी भर
cute.
नहीं भूलेंगे।
But this is not the line that you should say in this. You should say in this age. You should not even know what is shahadat on all these things. It's not good for you, this little kid.
I am inside a small village called Alipur in Karnataka. And few days back, something interesting happened here. When the Iran Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei died, this particular village completely shut down for 3 whole days. And the very first question that came to my mind was, a small village in the nook and corner of Karnataka in India, why would a village like that mourn a death of a leader in Iran?
Yeah, same question that
Because
I have.
Iran is thousands of kilometers away from here. Completely different country, different language, different culture. But if you look around here, if you walk through Alipur, you can see his presence in almost everything.
Oh, yeah, it's all over the city.
This picture is from when Modi ji first visited Iran. Look at this picture here. Almost many shops here have the pictures of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. And this is not something they put up here after his death. They kind of have it permanently in their shops here. Alipur is a
Okay.
small village in Karnataka, some 70 kilometers away from Bangalore. But many people know this place by another name, Mini Iran.
Mini Iran. Okay, so I guess like this video is recently made because recently he died, and yeah, but this something interesting is that how like they have the picture of him all over the city and all these things. So it is more like a religious and historical connection that they have.
तो देखिए, बोल लेने से मिनी ईरान इसलिए बोलते हैं कि यहाँ की आबादी जो है वो शिया मुस्लिम आबादी है।
Yeah.
और ईरान की जो है वो 90% आबादी जो है शिया मुस्लिम आबादी है। तो ये जो है मजहबी कनेक्शन है।
Yeah.
दिस इज नॉट पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन, ये ओनली धार्मिक कनेक्शन है।
The majority of people living here belong to the Shia Muslim community, and Iran is considered one of the most important centers of
This
Shia
lady
religious
wore
leadership
chador.
in the world.
How chador gone there? Honestly, that's something. Yeah, but chadar is, I guess, hot for that weather. It's hard to wear it.
जफारी आगा ऑफिस का
ऑफिस इधर चारों तरह के बाजू
आगे जाना है
So we were also told that Ali Saab visited this village particularly, like personally, in 1981. So is there any cultural relevance with Iran for this people?
1981 में वो यहाँ विजिट कर चुके। उनकी मोहब्बत यहाँ के लोगों में थी पहले से, इस वजह से उन्होंने खुद जो है अपनी ये की कि मैं वो जाऊँगा, अलीपुर जाऊँगा। तो उस वक्त के बाद से और ज्यादा जो है
Okay.
रिलेशनशिप हो गई,
I
बहुत ही
understood
मोहब्बत
how
हो गई।
all these things are
लेकिन
coming
उसके
from.
साथ-साथ जो अली
And I didn't know he visited this city actually in 1981, if I am right. Let me check it again. Yeah, 1981.
वो में थी पहले
Yeah.
से, इस वजह से उन्होंने खुद जो है अपनी ये की कि मैं वो जाऊँगा, अलीपुर जाऊँगा। तो उस वक्त के बाद से और ज्यादा जो है वो रिलेशनशिप हो गए, बहुत ही मोहब्बत हो गई। लेकिन
But
उसके
why?
साथ-साथ जो अलीपुर का
Because
यहाँ पर जो
they have the most like majority of Shia people here, maybe.
के लिए जाते हैं,
I don't know.
जेमस्टोन का जो है बिजनेस करते
If anyone knows, please write me in comments. If anyone is from Alipur and know about the story behind all this, so let me know please in the comments.
जाऊंगा। तो उस वक्त के बाद से और ज़्यादा जो है वो रिलेशनशिप हो गए, बहुत ही मोहब्बत हो गई। लेकिन उसके साथ साथ जो अलीपुर का यहाँ पर जो आपने देखा, मिनी अलीपुर इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे अलीपुरियंस ईरान में जाते हैं, वो बिजनेस के लिए जाते हैं, वो जेमस्टोन का जो है बिजनेस करते
okay.
हैं और वहाँ से जाना आना
I guess
रहता है।
more
वहाँ
in
का कुछ
Tehran,
काला
they
लिबास
are
वगैरह जो है
studying
ladies के
there.
लिए चादर जो होती है, वो चादर ईरान से लेकर आते हैं। और बहुत सारे स्कॉलर, इस्लामी स्कॉलर्स ईरान जाते हैं हायर एजुकेशन के लिए, वहाँ पर जाकर एजुकेशन हासिल करते हैं। जैसे कि मैं खुद ईरान में 10 इयर्स था वहाँ पे कुम में।
Oh, in Qom.
It's namaz time. Everyone is going for namaz.
The masjid is similar, like the masjid we have here. Yeah, same.
For many people in Alipur, Iran represents more than just a country. It represents their religious identity. So the logo that you see in the middle of the name is what you will find in the Iran's flag emblem. Like we have Ashok Chakra in our flag, Iran's flag will have.
Yeah, please, my editor, put it here, the flag, that my friends also see.
Khomeini came here
Thank
in
you.
1981. Before he became the supreme leader of Iran, he personally inaugurated this hospital. See, there's even a poster here. The martyrdom of our beloved Rahaba Ayatollah Ali Khamenei is observed with 3 days of mourning. Alipur, Karnataka will remain closed and has been declared a black day as a mark of respect.
5-10 मिनट के बाद उनका असैसिनेशन होना है, तब उन्होंने कहा कन्वे माय सलाम्स टू द अलीपुरियंस। ये इतना मुझे याद आ रहे हैं अभी वो, कितने अच्छे लोग थे वो, मुझे बहुत याद आते हैं। और कभी भी जो भी यानी डेलीगेट्स कम फ्रॉम ईरान तो अलीपुर, वो कहते थे कि मेरा सलाम पहले सुनाइए, बाद अपनी स्पीच दीजिए। तो अभी वो जब भी आते थे अपना सलाम सुनाते थे। तो ये आज हम समझते जैसे हमारे से वो दरमियान से गुजरे, हम समझे कि एक फरिश्ता कोई आ गया है ऊपर से। इतना ब्राइटफुल चेहरा, इतना मासूम चेहरा, इतना हसीन चेहरा, इतनी अच्छी पर्सनालिटी हमने देखा। तो हमने कहा कि आप पहले जंग के कमांडर थे? का बोला हाँ मैं जंग का कमांडर था। पहले जंग का मतलब वो एक बहुत बड़े मिलिट्री कमांडर थे वो, उसके बाद में प्रेसिडेंट हुए, बाद में सुप्रीम लीडर हुए। और इनकी सादगी ज़िंदगी लाइफ, जब भी यहाँ पे डिनर किए उन्होंने एक नीचे से कपड़ा बिछाया हुआ था, नॉट ए डाइनिंग टेबल, एक कपड़े बिछाया था, उसमें बैठ के खाए हो। और इवन दो वहाँ पे कुछ खाने के दाने पड़े थे, वो चुन चुन के खा रहे थे।
For some families here, the connection with Iran is not just ideological, it's very personal. And many families send their children to Iran for their education here.
Okay.
I'm Said Mohammad Mehdi and I'm studying in Iran, Iran University of Medical Sciences.
So why did you pick Iran for your studies?
I picked
It's
Iran
cute
for,
kids.
for
Seriously.
Islamic purpose and for my MBBS purpose.
Any cultural similarities there?
The culture there is really pretty
Medical
good.
sciences.
Everything is so fine, better than Alipur.
Oh, you like Iran better than
Yeah.
Alipur. Nice.
To be honest, I like Iran much.
Did you talk to your friends that are in Iran right now? Like, did you ask them like
Yeah, I
what's the
just
situation?
Okay, but it's not like becoming more expensive to come here and get your studies and all these things.
I know the day war started. After that day, a friend called me to international calling, and
Yeah, well, that time he's right that when was the blackout going on, so you could still like call from Iran to other countries to let your friends and families know that you are okay and you are fine, but they couldn't call you back from out country. Yeah.
said they are evacuating yesterday. Yeah, yesterday 7 o'clock. They evacuated somewhere else, like home, I guess. After that, I didn't talk to them.
So they evacuated people from the capital city to some other city.
Then
Yeah,
it was a
some,
blackout.
Like home, I guess.
मुंबई। आप कहाँ से हो?
We are in Alipur.
अलीपुर। अलीपुर अच्छा
I
है
like
क्या?
it so much. They're so cute.
बहुत अच्छा है। Anyone who touches the stones first will be the winner. Okay? How now America and Israel justifying this attackers? They are saying वो both
I can read the line behind him. Anjuman Jafari Alipur. It's written. Yeah, so much Farsi they use.
they are saying वो both human rights के against था, women's को कोई rights नहीं था, women's lot of women were killed and all they are saying.
वो देखिए इनका मीडिया गलत है, उनका गुंडा राज है। अभी इंसान को नहीं मालूम है अच्छा कौन बुरा कौन गलत कौन सही कौन।
जंग के बाद वो लोग भी जो मसलन स्कार्फ के या हिजाब के अगेंस्ट थे वो थे, अब वो लोग भी आ गए हैं, हुकूमत के साथ आ गए हैं, खामनी साहब के सपोर्ट में आ गए हैं।
बापू गांधी क्रांति लाए, क्या गांधी जी के खिलाफ नहीं है लोग? तो हर मुल्क में मेजॉरिटी एक तरफ होती है, माइनॉरिटी।
Okay, I understand what he's saying. He's saying that in a community, some of the majority is in one side and the other majority is in other side. But this doesn't mean that this majority of any religion or everything can tell like the other majority your thoughts are wrong, your religion is wrong, and all these things. You don't have any right to tell this. It's wrong that you think that you are the best and you are doing so well and like you are on top of everyone. That's wrong. Yeah, fine. Though we know that maybe I'm like thinking something, my friend is thinking like differently from me. It's not like I will go to her and say, your thoughts are completely wrong. I am the good person here. It's not working like this, guys, at all.
भी जो है वो अपने सोच के बारे में उसके खिलाफ रहती है, रेवोल्यूशन के खिलाफ भी थे।
First, when you heard about the death of Ali Saab, how did you feel like?
बहुत ही गम हुआ, बहुत ही अफसोस हुआ और यहाँ पर 3 दिन का शोक का भी ऐलान किया गया,
जिसमें लोगों को 3 दिन का शोक मनाने के लिए ऐलान कर दिए। अचानक वही घरों से बाहर निकल गए, बूढ़े बड़े नौजवान बच्चे सब भी नारा लगाते हुए जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद आयतुल्लाह खामेनी साहब के नारे लगाते हुए, अल्लाह अकबर के नारे लगाते हुए।
Ali साहब के बारे में आपको क्या पसंद है particularly?
उनकी शहादत हम जिंदगी भर नहीं भूलेंगे, क्योंकि वो एक मजलूम के लिए और एक फिलिस्तीन और ईरान के लिए साथ 11 मुल्कों के लिए लड़ चुके।
He was so much cute. He was so much cute. The way that he was talking. How you know? This little kid.
भाई एक गरम समोसा चाहिए।
Oh, samosa. We also have samosa here. We make it. How she said that I want samosa. Bye. Let me hear it again. I'm learning. This is something about me. I'm watching movie. I don't know, making video. I just learned different languages. Let me hear it again.
भाई एक गरम गरम समोसा चाहिए.
भाई एक गरम गरम समोसा चाहिए. if I'm right or wrong, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what she said. This is what I got.
एक कौन सा वाला समोसा है? आलू.
Aloo. I also want.
Yeah,
This looks so much tasty.
ओए, ये क्या है? ये मंदिर जैसा लग रहा है ना?
ये ताबूत बात शहीद कुमार को कत्ल कर दिया था ना.
72 members they killed
Why?
for our
उसकी एक
prophets.
निशानी.
Once
72 people here.
this is the memorable we will do in this memoriam time. This is made by 1700 year old and this name called Zulfiqar. This is the Mawla Ali's
Zulfiqar.
sword.
Oh, okay.
They were very nice. They let me inside that masjid and they explained about the history of the place and everything.
They should let you in. Why they should not let you in? Honestly, like, is that something there that they don't let Hindus to come into masjid or I don't know. I'm not sure, but yeah, they should.
Nice.
Respectfully, they should do that.
छोटे छोटे बच्चों के ऊपर हमला किया है, हॉस्पिटलों के ऊपर हमला किया है, कॉलेज मदारिस के ऊपर हमला किया है. अब देखते हैं पहला हमला जो इसराइल अमेरिका किया वो बच्चों के लिए 14-14 साल के बच्चे जो मासूम लड़कियां जो शहीद हो गई.
He's talking like he's fighting.
180 से ज्यादा. ये उनका कल्चर है. हमारा कल्चर जंग हमारे से कभी भी शुरू नहीं हुई. जब वो जंग किया तो उसका दिफा करूँ जरूर की, उसको जवाब जरूर दे के रहेंगे. हम पर सरेंडर नहीं हो गए, चाहे हम मर जाए, हमारा सर कट जाए. इंसानियत जिंदाबाद, इस्लाम जिंदाबाद, सच्चाई जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद.
When I first heard about
Don't
it, there was
fight.
some village called Mini Iran. What I expected was kind of something different. But when I actually landed here, and I see this village of Alipur, what they are eating is just normal South Indian food. They speak Kannada and Urdu. It just looks like any other normal village in Karnataka.
Yeah, I
but
also
the
think
emotional
so.
connection people have towards the Iranian culture, that is very deep here. And that raises a very strong question. How does one's identity
Beyond
travel
borders.
beyond borders? Can you say something about this temple here?
नहीं वो तो जमाने से है, हम तो बचपन से देखते हैं.
ये वाला टेम्पल.
हाँ.
हाँ, कितने % हिंदू लोग हैं इधर?
यहाँ तो 10 से 12% जो है हिंदू आबादी है और सब लोग मोहब्बत से रहते हैं.
कुछ झगड़ा?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं. वो लोग जो है उसमें हमारे त्योहार में आते हैं. मुहर्रम के त्योहार में तो हमारे से ज्यादा वही लोग रहते हैं.
Ah,
And this is how it should be. I liked it so much. The thing that he said, like they are coming to our festivals, we are going to their festivals and all these things. So everyone living with love together, and that's how it should be. Anyways, though, we all gonna die soon, one day, and we are all humans, and we should support each other. With any religion, with any language, we should always support each other because at the end we are all humans.
और मुहर्रम के त्योहार में वो लोग आते हैं, दूसरे गणेश त्योहार में, दूसरे त्योहारों में हम लोग वहाँ जाते हैं, उनके पास मंदिर में जाते हैं. तो ये देखिए भारत की यही तो पहचान है. असल पहचान जो है भारत की यही है. यानी मैं कई देशों का दौरा किया लेकिन सुकून तो अपने
He's a
देश
good
में
guy.
मिलता है. तुम जिस देश में रहते हो उस देश के संविधान पर चलकर अपनी जो है मजहब का पालन करो.
एक आदमी सबका वर्ड. ठीक है. When you first heard about कामिनी साहब का death, what did you thought?
खामनाई साहब का जो इंतकाल हुआ है ये एक बहुत बड़ा इंसानियत का नुकसान है. इसलिए कि मुसलमान बाद में है, पहले इंसान है. जिसने भी सच्चाई के लिए अलम उठाया है उसको शहीद कर दिया गया. मैंने एक जगह कहा था, बहुत पुराना एक शेर है एक कविता में, एक ये है कि हक का राही कभी जालिम से नहीं डर सकता, जाहिरन मर भी गया फिर भी नहीं मर सकता, जुल्म सहते रहे होंठों का तबस्सुम न गया, सब्र ने आज़म की दीवार को गिरने न दिया. सब्र नहीं की दीवार तो गिरती नहीं।
Wow, wow.
Almost everyone I spoke to here had something very positive to say about him. Some people said he was a great leader, some people said he stood for justice, and almost everyone here thinks that the world misunderstands Iran. These kind of educational and religious exchanges have strengthened the emotional bond between Alipur and Iran. And that is what makes this village unique. It may not look like Iran, but emotionally, the connection is very real.
Kritika is the girl's name, Kritika. Decoding India one story at a time. Kritika was a really nice video. Me and my friends really enjoyed it, and yeah, it showed us that how different things, like how songs, how history, how a religion can make a bridge from one heart to other heart, with the fact that we are 1,000 miles far from each other. That's something really interesting for me, and it was always interesting for me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys also enjoyed it the way I did. So my dear friends, this was all about Alipur that we showed reaction and we watched it together, and I really kind of enjoyed it. It's just all these things are so much interesting for me, and I'm like enjoying. I hope you guys also enjoyed it a lot. And tell me if you are from Alipur city and you know about the story and facts behind this mysterious city. Let me know in the comments. If anything you know that it's not in this video or any historical thing, just write me in the comments. I will be happy to see and learn more about you guys. So that was the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and comment me there if you liked it, and if you didn't also, that's all fine. See you in the next video, and see you in the next reaction videos. Till that time, I want all the blessing and lots of love for all my friends out there. See you. Bye bye.